all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. You can follow me on Instagram at prettyface.jaylaaa with 3 A's, and you can follow me on TikTok at prettyface.jaylaaa with the 3. So right now, what today's video is gonna be, as you see by the title, spend the day with me. I'm gonna go to Walmart, get some stuff, and then later I go to work. Yeah, so it's gonna be a short, small vlog. But I'm going on a family trip Friday. Today is Wednesday, so I have to get some stuff for that. So y'all don't come with me. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, turn that post notification bell on so you get notified every time on my edges. So you get notified every time I post a video. So I'm trying to figure out which one. Ooh, which one do I want? Do I want the orange or orange or pineapple? They's not $5.98. I'm trying to see. I need one more. Fanta. Should I get fruit punch? I'm gonna get fruit punch, and then over there, cause they don't got the big Sprite, so I'm gonna get Sprite. But I don't think everybody drink that. I don't know. I don't want to get 3 because I know we're not gonna drink all those. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, and then I'm gonna get this, a small thing of Coke, because everybody don't drink Coke. But you know, because it's really 3 kids, so me, my cousin, and my 2 girls and 1 boy at this point. I know my cousin Jermaine, he drank the Fanta pineapple. I drank the both fruit punch, but I know Tanira drank Coke, so I don't think she's drinking no more, but we gonna see. That's why I got some on. Yeah, so I'm not used to recording in public. Let me put one of these other cooking. Hold on. I need ranch and blue cheese. Me, if it was me, I would get the Walmart brand, but it's not for me, so I'm gonna get the. I don't know, cause people, I don't know who all eat blue cheese. I'm not trying to spend $3 on a blue cheese. But I know one thing, I like ranch. So a lot of people eat ranch. I'm gonna get one. We on budget. I ain't got time. And I don't know. Chunky blue cheese. What's the difference? Chunky blue cheese. I don't know. But this is the only blue cheese they got. So this is what we're gonna get. We're gonna get. Ooh. Okay, so I gotta go get some snacks. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place. Like, I'm never, like, it's my first time recording like in a store, not public. My first time recording in a store. So if I'm all over the place, I'm so sorry. Like, I'm just trying to get a vlog out for y'all. So right now I just got 3 things of sodas, blue cheese, ranch, and I need to. Oh, I should have seen if I got my waterproof case thing. I'm gonna go see if they got some more, but I'm gonna get snacks and then I'll be out of here. So the chips I like is the Dynamite. I don't know if I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them. Dynamite. And then I know people, they got hot fries. I know everybody eats hot fries. But I don't see them. Are they up here? Hot fries.
Okay. Yes. Okay, how many?
I'm gonna get
How many?
and a chip that's not hot.
You have to pay for this. You're not on the card.
That's what I'm getting. Then I'm gonna get y'all. We on the budget. We on the budget. I ain't got. We on the budget. Should I get gummy snacks? Gummy snacks. I'm gonna get gummy snacks. Should I? I could have just got a bag like this. Like, let me show y'all. I could have got like this, but they don't got the chips. could get this one. Cause I got that one, you know. I don't know. I'm gonna get some gummies and then that'll be it. Water, like we got enough water, so that's why I'm getting this type of. I know they're not going to eat no fruit, but so this one I'm gonna get fruit snacks right here, right here. But I don't know which one. $8. You gonna get? Thank you. We're gonna get this one. This $5, y'all. Y'all don't understand when I said a budget. I'm on a budget. Okay, that's it. Then I gotta go see the phone case thing. I'll be back. I wanted a new suitcase because the one I got is very old. I mean, it's a decent one. I'm gonna show y'all. But I wanted another one, like, but we on the budget, like I said. So I'm not get another one because we're on the budget. So I'm gonna go see the waterproof phone cases, and then I'm gonna be done because we're on the budget. Y'all are gonna count how many times I said that, but she gonna keep staring at me. I know I'm cute with it, but we're on the budget. So yeah, cause she keeps staring. I know I'm cute, but hi guys, I'm back. I'm ready to check out. Thanks. Okay, now we're on the budget, so like.
You're in a budget?
Yeah, we're back.
Yeah, bye.
You think I'm playing?
Oh, you're broke.
Real broke. Not broke, but broke. Come on.
Shut the fuck up.
You taking forever? Where's the barcode? Oh. Total came up to... It came to $43.89. Right in the price range. Right in the price range. No more than 50.
The bitch bought the whole stuff. $40,000 fucking dollars.
43. But it's gonna go down to the discount.
That shit didn't do nothing.
Girl, to what? 42?
Oh, it only went down by 41.
Actually, oh. I need these in bag. Real bad. Real bad. This all the stuff I got. I'm gonna go home, like get some rest or something before I go to work. It is hot out here. Real hot.
High maintenance, everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis.
Woo, y'all. Okay, so let me tell you what I just did. I'm parked by like when I come to work, this is where I park. So I didn't want to leave the cart where right here because I know how I feel. You be pushing them carts, so I just put it up there. I'm so hot. Okay, now I'm gonna go home, y'all. I see y'all when I get home.
When you around me, treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you. What can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you. You know you my thug and I can't shake this habit. No, I've been out, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing you.
What? Okay, I thought I was going home, but look where I'm at. Family Dollar. So I feel like I don't have enough set. Like I feel like I don't have enough. I mean I have enough, but I feel like I don't know because I don't know. I just feel like we need some more. So I came to the dollar store. I should came to this first, but I'm gonna get some chips right here. I don't want to get nothing hot because I want people, because I'm adults gonna be in that. Like my mama, they're not gonna eat that type of chips. I know they're gonna eat the Doritos, but I know they eat the white cheddar popcorn. I know they eat these. And then I need one more bag. Everybody like these chips. Like them purple ones. Hey, two for $7. $2 for $7. already got one, so I don't think I need, unless I get the barbecue sweet tangy barbecue. I'm gonna just check another one of these. We got cookies. Yeah, I think that's it. I think I'm gonna get this in another bag. Another bag of those. Shit up. I got these. Yeah, I don't want to just come here and get one thing. I'm gonna get mad. Okay, put it on phone. So I'm gonna get this. Should I get another bag? I'm thinking. I'm gonna get another bag of these. I'll get these. Nobody eat these. Got them. Let me get two bags. Okay. Boom, that's it. Okay, now I'm leaving. Bye. Y'all, that's it. I'm done spending money. I told y'all I was on a budget. I'm still spending money, so I'm done for real. So I'm gonna go to the house for real, and take this stuff out the car. Hopefully my mama, she not there yet. She get up at 2, so I'll get back with y'all. So I don't finally sit down, got some air, turn the fan on, and I've been sitting out for a little minute. But ooh, I'm possible. I had to get a popsicle because it was so hot. It was a lot. Like, I don't know what it was, but it was hot. But right now I'm gonna just chill, watch YouTube, get in the shower because I've been sweating. And then it's currently 2:08, so I go work at 5, so I got time. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm at work. Okay, so it's like 4:06, but I'm gonna get something to eat because my stomach is growling. Like, all I had today was cereal, and that was this morning. So I'm gonna get something to eat from Wendy's, and then I'm gonna go sweat. This is what I have on. Don't mind the towel. Let me tell y'all, the towel is right here because it was a lizard in here, and I didn't want, my door was closed. I think they got it. I just never got the towel up, but just in case. But I'm gonna close my door. It's a towel right there too. Baby, I don't want a lizard in my room. No ma'am, no ham. No turkey. So I'm getting back with y'all when I'm at Wendy's. I was laying down. When I got up, my body was shaking, like not shaking, but like it felt weird. Like my body felt weak. Like it's like my legs, and also my shoes on my legs, and then my arms. Like I don't know, I'm scared. I don't know, I feel weird. Oh my god, I feel weird. But I'm gonna go to Wendy's. So yeah, and then I'm gonna eat in Walmart parking lot because Wendy's and Walmart is like right by each other. So I'm gonna go to Wendy's and go to Walmart. Ooh, it's hot out here. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna listen to some music. If you didn't already, go watch my little playlist. I got y'all. If y'all want a part 2, let me know. And every time I come here, I get the $5 Biggie Bag, Jimmy Bacon cheeseburger with a large fry. Why did they throw this cup away? I had this yesterday. Is he staring at me? Dang, everybody's staring at me today. I know I'm cute, real cute. Thank you. Thank you. I almost forgot my change. It was on $3. Yeah, so I just got done eating. This strawberry lemonade, I don't hit every time, but I just got done eating. I was watching YouTube, that's why I didn't record myself eating. But that was really good. Like I don't know if I was just hungry. That was really good, especially the strawberry lemonade. I actually got a it's currently 4:40, so I'm gonna start walking in there because yeah. So I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever I have time because I can record, but but it's like I can't because like, yeah, I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yeah, so we're probably at work and it's packed, real packed. Register. It's not packed, but we're trying to be going down. Register. Let me show y'all. Register. There you go. So this, I told you I can't record when I'm on like at work because it's really hard. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. I don't know when. Hi. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when. I don't know. I'm leaving work right now. Y'all, I haven't had a break, nothing today, even though I was working a short shift. But you need a break working at Walmart. You need a break. So right now I'm gonna go home, eat, and edit this video for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.
Got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.